Ever dreamed of diving deep into the world of cryptocurrency? Imagine a vast, digital ocean teeming with potential: Bitcoin, Ethereum, a whole alphabet soup of acronyms promising a financial revolution. But before you take the plunge, there's a crucial question: where do you store your hard-earned crypto treasures? Context: 030 to 130. Just like any valuable asset, your cryptocurrency needs a safe haven. That's where wallets come in. These digital wallets act as your personal vault, holding your crypto and allowing you to access it for transactions. But with so many options out there, choosing the right one can be daunting. Today, we're focusing on a heavyweight contender, Kraken. So, is Kraken a BTC wallet? 1:30 to 2 o'clock. The answer is not a simple yes or no. Kraken is primarily a cryptocurrency exchange. Think of it as a bustling marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, BTC, of course. It's a fantastic platform for active traders, offering a wide range of features and competitive fees. But here's the twist. 2 to 3 o'clock. Kraken also integrates a built-in wallet for your crypto holdings. So, while you're busy navigating the exchange, buying low and selling high, your precious BTC and other cryptos are securely stored within the Kraken ecosystem. This convenience is a major perk for users who want a one-stop shop for their crypto needs. Benefits of using Kraken as a BTC wallet, 3 to 4:30. Now, let's dive deeper into the advantages of using Kraken as your BTC wallet. Convenience: as mentioned earlier, the biggest advantage is seamless integration. You can buy BTC directly on the exchange and have it automatically deposited into your Kraken wallet. No need to juggle multiple platforms, keeping everything centralized and streamlined. Security: Kraken takes security very seriously. They employ industry-leading security measures like multi-factor authentication and cold storage for a significant portion of user funds. This helps keep your BTC safe from hackers and online threats. Variety: Kraken isn't just about Bitcoin. Their wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, allowing you to diversify your portfolio and explore new investment opportunities. Drawbacks to consider: 4:30 to 5:30. Of course, no platform is perfect. Here are a few potential drawbacks to consider before using Kraken as your primary BTC wallet. Exchange risk: since your BTC is stored within the exchange, it's technically not under your complete control. In the unlikely event of a security breach or exchange insolvency, your funds could be at risk. Limited functionality: while Kraken's wallet is convenient, it may not offer the same level of functionality as dedicated standalone wallets. Features like advanced spending controls or staking options might be limited. Alternatives to Kraken wallets, 5:30 to 6:30. If the drawbacks outweigh the benefits, there are alternative solutions for storing your BTC. Hardware wallets: these physical devices offer the highest level of security, storing your crypto offline and completely under your control. Software wallets: these downloadable applications provide a user-friendly way to manage your BTC on your computer or smartphone. However, they may be more susceptible to online attacks compared to hardware wallets. The right choice for you, 6:30 to 7:30. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and risk tolerance. If you're a beginner or someone who values convenience, Kraken's wallet could be a great option. But for experienced users prioritizing maximum security, a dedicated hardware wallet might be a better fit. Security first, always. 7:30 to 8 o'clock. Remember, no matter which option you choose, prioritize security. Always enable two-factor authentication, use strong passwords, and be cautious about clicking suspicious links or downloading unknown software. Advanced features of Kraken, 8 to 9 o'clock. Now, let's take a quick detour for those interested in exploring Kraken beyond its wallet functionality. As a leading exchange, Kraken offers a variety of features for active traders. Margin trading: this allows you to borrow funds to amplify your potential gains and losses. Staking rewards: hold certain cryptocurrencies and earn passive income through staking. Advanced order types: utilize sophisticated tools to fine-tune your trading strategies. Remember, these features come